Appendix B for the VST-US Green Machine. In this video, we'll be covering Appendix B. Using your cell phone, tablet, or computer, go to the VST website located at www.vsthose.com. To access Appendix B, click on the VST Education and Training. Then go to the Green Machine section and click on USA Supporting Documents and Instructional Video. Then select the Startup Commissioning Contractor link. Click Appendix B, Startup Contractor Checkout Form.
Startup Contractor Checkout Form. Now you need to populate the fields on this form, beginning with the site information. Click the field to get a list of sites. Quickly navigate to your site by entering the site number, the site name, or the street address. For this example, we're using Colchester, Vermont. Once you find and select your site, the site ID, the site address, and the site phone number fields will automatically populate. If any of this information is missing or incorrect, add it or correct it now. Now, enter the contractor information. Select your company name from this list, and the rest of the information will self-populate. If there is information missing from the contractor phone, name, or email, correct it now. This is the email address where the startup code will be sent. Make sure you have immediate access to this email address so that the startup can be completed and the Green Machine made operational. If for some reason your company name does not appear on the list, call VST.
Enter the VST issued certification number that you received from completing the Startup Contractor quiz.
Now, on to the information about the Green Machine installation itself. First, enter the startup completion date. Click the calendar icon and select the appropriate date. Next, enter the Green Machine serial number. The serial number can be found on the back side of the junction box inside the Green Machine cover and also on the outside of the cover. Once you click away from this field, if a dialog box does not pop up, you've entered the correct serial number. If an incorrect serial number is entered, this dialog box will pop up. Simply click OK and re-enter the correct serial number. If you are sure that the serial number you're entering is correct and the dialog box keeps popping up, call VST. Next, we need to record some readings from the PLC screen located on the front of the control panel. First, find the UST pressure reading on the main screen of the PLC located here. Enter that information into the field. Next, find the run cycles count, located just below the pressure reading. And, just as before, record the information in the appropriate field. Next, you need to record the tank volume data. The volume of the UST can be found using the tank monitoring system at your site. The ullage can also be found using the tank monitoring system. These values are collected to determine that the tank level is within the range that allows the Green Machine to run. If the tank level is above 90%, the Green Machine will not run until the level drops below 90%. Now the tank level percentage field will auto-populate. Again, if the tank level is above 90%, the Green Machine will not run until the level drops below 90%. Follow the same procedure for the remaining USTs. Now, on to the required testing. As you complete each of these items during startup, check the appropriate boxes for each step. You will not be permitted to complete the form until all of these items have been completed and checked off of this list. For the Pictures section, submit pictures of the Green Machine and the VST control panel. For each picture, you will find a description of the picture along with an example link. Click the link to see a sample picture of what the description is asking for. To return to the checkout form, simply X out of the Picture tab. Upload your pictures from this site from your computer. If you're using a mobile device, an option will be presented to you. Upload an existing picture or take a new one. Finally, draw your signature in the signature field. Date the form and click Submit. At this time, you will receive an email. It will contain your activation code, and it will contain a PDF file of the completed Appendix B. Now let's look at how to enter the code. To enter the startup code and make the Green Machine operational, first press the maintenance button on the touchscreen. Enter the password 878 as before to advance to the maintenance screen. Once here, press the F1 and F2 keys at the same time to access the verification code screen. Press the zeros in the center of the screen to enter your 6-digit code. Once you've entered the code, you will see this screen stating that the code is correct and the Green Machine will now run in automatic mode. Congratulations, you've completed startup. You have reached the end of this video.